Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what are the features in Windows 11, and also I clarify the doubts regarding Windows 11. So let's get started. Windows 11 is finally here. It comes with a massive redesign and new features that will offer a much faster experience. Microsoft's next generation of Windows will be rolled out later this year and will be available to users as a free upgrade. However, there are some hardware requirements that your PC needs to have to run the new Windows OS. Here's a look at some coolest features that you should be excited about. The first one is Android apps on Windows. Microsoft is bringing Android apps to Windows for the first time. You no need to use emulators to run Android apps. So, starting later this year, people will notice Android apps in the Microsoft Store and will be able to download them through the Amazon App Store. The company has also announced that it will add Adobe Creative Cloud, Disney+, TikTok, Zoom, and some of its native apps like Microsoft Teams, Visual Studio, and even Notepad and Paint to Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Significant changes for gamers. The new Windows 11 OS will bring a number of significant changes for PC gamers. It supports DirectX 12 Ultimate, which is set to offer immersive graphics at high frame rates. There is also support for Auto HDR, which Microsoft says will offer a wider, more vivid range of colors for a better visual experience. Direct storage is also there, which will offer faster load times as the game's assets will be loaded directly to the graphics card instead of through the CPU. One will also find a built-in Xbox app in Windows 11. All the Xbox Game Pass users will be able to access over 100 high-quality games and stream titles via Xbox Cloud Gaming. Better multitasking experience. Windows 11 also brings new snap layouts, snap groups and desktops to offer a better way to multitask desktops and customize them to their liking. For example, you can have a desktop for work, gaming or school. Widgets. It offers updated widgets that can slide over your desktop to show you news, weather, calendar, to-do list and your recent photos. You will also be able to view the widgets on full screen in case you want to see everything at once. Users can add or remove widgets anytime they want. When you open your personalized feed, it slides across your screen like a sheet of glass, so it doesn't disrupt what you're doing. The snap layouts, just hover your mouse over a Windows Maximize button to see available snap layouts, then click on a zone to snap the window. You'll then be guided to snap windows to the rest of the zones within the layout with guided snap assist. For smaller screens, you'll be offered a set of 4 snap layouts. The Windows 11 preview has gets touch keyboard personalizations, voice typing launcher, improved gesture controls, pen menu for stylus inputs, and an updated input switcher. So next we will talk about Windows 11 related questions. First one. Can we get Windows 11 for free? Yes. You'll be able to upgrade to Windows 11 for free if you're already a Windows 10 user. Otherwise you need to buy Windows 11. Can we install Windows 11 on any computer? The answer is no. You need these system requirements to run Windows 11. These are the basic requirements for installing Windows 11 on a PC. Download PC Health Check app, link given in the description. Check your PC is run Windows 11 or not. If your system doesn't meet these recommended requirements, you'll probably need to replace your PC or laptop by 2025 as Microsoft has plans to phase out Windows 10 support by then. Is Windows 11 worth the upgrade? Yes, Windows 11 is worth the upgrade as people have been using same old Windows 10 for years, and Windows 11 is better optimized for gaming. This updated start menu is a simplified version of what currently exists in Windows 10, without live tiles. It includes pinned apps, recent files, and the ability to quickly shut down or restart Windows 11 devices. It's really a lot more simplified than what exists in Windows 10 today. If you don't want the app icons and start menu centered, there's an option to move them all back to the left-hand side. Coupled with the dark mode that's also available, and Windows 11 starts to look like a more refined version of Windows 10 and something dramatically new. How can I install Windows 11 in my computer? First, download the ISO file, link given in the description. Make a bootable USB drive using Rufus tool. Restart your PC and open boot menu. Start your installation process. That's all. Is it possible to use Windows 11 without installing to my computer? Yes, download and install VMware software. Now you can run your ISO file in it. VMware allows businesses to run multiple application and operating system workloads on the one server, thus enabling better resource management by creating a virtual machine that behaves exactly like an actual computer. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.